From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong.
Good morning guys, so I'm at home. घर पे कोई अलार्म सुनाई नहीं पड़ता, ऐसी मौत जैसी नींद आ रही होती है, लगता है कैसे उठे. I'm soon going to change my hair, like I'm so bored of it. It's my duty to make breakfast today. Plus it's Sunday. I know it's gonna be a very chaotic morning, which you'll see. Now let's see how she can break the egg, just like my head.
10 feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice.
This is news for you. Pre-board exam for class 10 from January 29. Your pre-board exam will be held from 29 January.
मैंने सुनाई पड़ी है.
Please, my daughter, पलक. No.
सस्ता स्नेप गाइस. अब उड़ जाओ पंछी की तरह. एपिलेप्सी हो गई.
Maybe then I feel alright. Sometimes I get strung out trying to be myself. When you come close, I feel alive.
This is to certify that my family cannot function without chai even for 2 hours, and that is me too. So basically I really like watching these makeup videos. I mean, if not doctor, then I would be a makeup artist. I was scouring through the wardrobe and I found these notes which I had made during my NEET preparation. Basically converted the whole NCERT into flowcharts and tables. And the best part is I'm going to be teaching it to you on Unacademy platform, and the class will happen on, the details are on your screen. Link is in the description box. Please download the app beforehand, otherwise it will tell you to download. Download the app and I'll see you guys. Comment down below how many of you guys moms cannot go to shopping or anywhere without a cup of chai. I'm so proud of my lip combos these days, like seriously. While entering only, I had realized कि आज मम्मी पापा की जेब कटने वाली है. Like seriously, just watch. भाई कितना मज़ा आ रहा था मुझे कपड़े खरीदने में. लग रहा था भाई आज मैं सारे कपड़े खरीद लूँ. Because there were so many styles and there were a lot of things which I don't have in my wardrobe. For example, these parachute pants and this top मुझे पसंद आ गया था. But these parachute pants were so good. And I tried some bodycon dresses too, which I actually liked. I didn't like this top because it was just not looking good. સારું લાગે છે. Okay, this ethnic dress, like seriously, it's looking so cool with the shoes. I was like, I do want it. Then I tried a bodycon dress too, which looked better on me. And I ended up buying all of it. Like seriously. इसके बाद राइड ही हम लोग की चेंज हो गई. इतने पैसे खर्च करने के बाद आए गाड़ी से थे, जा रहे ऑटो से. तुम लोग घूम रहे हो, है नहीं तो कुछ. शॉपिंग की भाई खुश हो गए. ये तो मेरा है, पहले ही बता. ये मेरा है, वो हम अपने लिए लाए हैं. वो सस्ते हैं. तो मेरा ही है. तुम्हारे लिए हम कुछ नहीं लाए. Chai again to combat the thakan from the shopping. That was it for the vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Homes are always good to come back. and there are a lot more videos planned for you. I hope I'm able to execute it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, bye bye, and please join the class on Unacademy, because I know a lot of you had been asking me to teach NCERT thread notes, and it's finally happening. So yes, I'll meet you guys.